Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Uncle Leo's Story Time. Are you happy? Do you know what it takes to really be happy? The story we're going to listen to today is about two boys and an old man and how one boy finds happiness. The story is called The Boys and the Old Man. Two boys went out to find happiness. On their path, they met an old man. When the old man learned what the two boys were looking for, he said, "I will help you." He took out a big gold coin. "Who wants this?" he asked. Quickly the big boy said, "I will have it." Then the old man took out a little jewel. "Who wants this?" he asked again. The big boy quickly said, "I want that too." And the old man gave it to him. Now the old man put down his bag. "I am very tired," he said. "Who will help me carry my bag?" The big boy did not say anything. The small boy took up the bag. "You are tired, old man. I will carry it for you," he said. The old man smiled. "Take the bag. It is yours, and everything inside is yours too." The small boy opened the bag to find it filled with thousands of jewels. When he turned to thank the old man, he was gone.